Labo VR Kit is Nintendo's first attempt at VR in over 20 years after the ill-fated Virtual Boy. It's built around the VR Goggles Toy-Con, a Google Cardboard-like headset that holds the Nintendo Switch. The VR goggles slide into other Toy-Cons in the set, which hold the Joy-Cons for virtual controls. The other Toy-Cons in the kit are the Bird, Blaster, Camera, Elephant, and Wind Pedal. The kit includes specialized games for each Toy-Con, along with 64 other mini-games in the VR PLAZA. Toy-Con Garage VR is the most powerful part of the software. It's a simple game programming interface. All of the games in VR PLAZA were made in Toy-Con Garage VR and can be explored and modified. You can make almost anything in Toy-Con Garage VR, though you can't share your creations online. If you have a Nintendo Switch, the Labo VR Kit is easy to recommend and an editor's choice.